Hi, I'm Mike Morgan, the R&D specialist here at Danchuk. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the headlight switch out of the dash. A good idea is to always remove your negative battery cable whenever you're doing any electrical work on your car. The first step is to pull the headlight switch into the full on position, reach up under the dash and push in the little button. Allows the shaft to come out. So once you remove the shaft, the next step will be get a screwdriver and take out the nut that holds it into the dash. Just put the screwdriver into the slot, twist counterclockwise. Falls right out. The next step will be to reach under the dash and grab a hold of the headlight switch and pull it out so you can get to the wires. Now that we have the switch out of the dash, you can mark the wires or refer to the assembly manual for where they go and make sure that you pull on the terminal itself, not the wire. And now we can start taking them off. Now that you have all the wires disconnected, grab your new switch, start hooking up the wires the way you marked them or according to the assembly manual. Once you have all the wires hooked up, you want to spin the light switch upside down. This little tab goes right there in the dash. To get it up under the dash, it's a little easier if you just get out of the car a little bit.